Welcome! In front of me I have CMF Watch Pro 2 and I'm gonna show you how to enable and how to disable the power saving mode on this watch. First we need to wake up the screen on our watch, and you can wake it up by pressing the crown button. After you wake up the screen, you should see the home screen, the current watch face, and once you see the screen you can swipe down from the top of the screen to open the quick panel. On this panel you should see a bunch of icons, and one of them should look like the battery icon, and this is the power saving mode icon. And if you want to enable the mode, simply tap on this icon, tap on the check mark to confirm, and the mode will be enabled. And that's how it looks like. Basically you have access to time, the battery level, but everything else is blocked. And as you can see, if you try to do something on your watch, it tells you to press and hold the crown button to turn off the power saving mode. So to turn it off, press and hold the crown button and keep holding it for about, 5, maybe 10 seconds until you go back to the normal watch face. And that's how you enable and how you disable the power saving mode on this watch. Thank you for watching. If you found this video helpful, please consider subscribing to our channel and leaving a like on the video.